Well, it's a few days in. It's now Thursday. And the snowman died. Looked like somebody killed it. People walking around. The roadways seem to be okay. But you can see we get some nice person shoveled our pathway up so I can get to my car. Not big enough for a wheelchair though. But anyone who had to use a wheelchair or crutches couldn't get out this way. But let's look at the other entrance. So the other entrance, thankfully we have two. You can see there, most people have gotten their cars out, but some people have not. And there's you can tell by that car there, this car, that some people have not cleared their car off. That's got to be solid ice, and that's going to turn into real ice. You see the piles of stuff. But the road driveways are mostly cleared out. And I think we can get out. Somebody was nice enough to shovel that walkway to the stairs. I still wouldn't be able to get Dad out if there was an emergency. But that's part of the deal. So back to the main entrance. Oh, it's really cold. I think it got down to about 10 degrees Fahrenheit last night. And you know that with the melting, it's gonna turn to ice. But look at those icicles up there. Those are dangerous. But you know, it's pretty. It's nice to see when you're inside and it got power. Anyway, that's enough of this. See you later.